Scottish DJ and mega producer Calvin Harris has recruited dancehall artist Shenseea and Jamaican British rapper Teflon Don for the second installment of his summer soundtrack series titled Funk Wave Bounces Volume 2. Harris shared this video of the Serene Ocean album trailer on his social media platforms. The trailer showcases the list of A-listed celebrities who are featured on the project. The compilation boasts the likes of Justin Timberlake, Pharrell, Charlie Puth, Dua Lipa, 21 Savage, Young Thug, Chloe, Pusha T, Tinashe, Normani, among others. Funk Wave Bounces Volume 2 is Calvin Harris's sixth studio album, serving as the highly anticipated sequel to his 2017 project Funk Wave Volume 1. The project is slated for release August 5. Now, dancehall artist Spice has dominated her 10-city tour of Europe and the United Kingdom. The tour saw the Queen of Stage performing a slew of her hits in Portugal, Belgium, Switzerland, France, Germany, Sweden, and the Netherlands. Over the weekend, Spice graced the stage with Shaggy to deliver her massive hit single Godongde at Summer Jam Festival. Spice is also booked to perform at the return staging of Reggae Sumfest in Montego Bay on July 22. Her tour also boasts upcoming dates in the United States and Trinidad. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E! Prime.